Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Small Things. I hope you all are good at your places and today's video is on toys which we use for Nandika in 6 to 9 months and before starting today's video I would like to request from all the viewers, those who are not subscribing my channel till yet, so please click the subscribe button and in future when I upload video every time you will get the notifications. So before seeing my videos please click the subscribe button. So let's come on to the video. I already upload video on the toys which we use for Nandika in 0 to 6 months. So if you haven't watched that video till yet, so please have a look to that video and the link is in the description box. So the first toy we introduce in Nandika's life in 6 to 9 months is that the Jumperoo, again from the Fisher Price. All the swings I bought from the Fisher Price and I'm really happy with this. Like actually this Jumperoo suggested by my mom to buy this and it really helps a lot to enhance, to develop the gross motor skills of the baby. And like motor skills are like jumping, balancing and reaching for the toys helps get your babies to enhance, to develop their, to increase the power of the motor skills in the growing stage of this month. So ultimately the Jumperoo is the best gift to enhance, to introduce in your baby's life. Second benefit of this toy is it has senses, like it enhances baby's sensory skills, like it has bright colors in it, lights, sounds and textures to help the stimulate baby's developing senses. And then this baby is love to explore all the hands-on fun for of this Jumperoo. You can see in this picture as well, along with the mirror there it has mirror as well in which baby can explore her looks. And the best part of this thing is that the rotating seat, that is the 360 degrees rotating seat, gives the access to toys, activities. It has teether as well and so much more. It has so many more little toys, little teethers, mirrors, the toys, so that the baby can enhance motor. Seat of this is removable and machine washable as well, which is the best part of this. And this is not the walker and it has no wheels, and I already made a video on that walkers are banned in Canada, so please have a look to that video. And that video, the link of that video I shared in the description box. So which is a very good, like walkers are not good for babies and all, but this is the best thing. I think that Jumperoos are the best for the babies. It has everything that the walker has except the wheels. The second toy which we introduced in Nandika's life in this month is that the unicorn. The unicorns which helps to maintain balancing and all. It really helps to the backbone in the sitting portion, in the standing portion, mainly the balancing. The babies, those who learn how to sit, how to stand and how to maintain balance, this is the best for them. And it really helps a lot babies for that age groups in the 6 to 12 months, those who learn sitting, standing, walking and all. So this is the best for maintaining the balancing and all. The next is a xylophone, again from the Fisher Price. This is the musical pull toy. Baby uses the mallet to tap on the 8 colorful keys. Yes, it has 8 colorful keys, and tapping the keys help really to foster fine motor skills and eye-hand coordination as well. Bright colors, music and musical tone help really stimulate baby's senses, encourage musical activities, creativity as baby explores different sounds and different musical notes. So it really helps a lot to tapping and all, and mainly it for the eye and hand coordination. The next is again from the Fisher Price, the rack and stack. In this, from grasping and shaking to sorting and stacking, has tons of fun ways for babies to play and explore. It has 5 rings of different colors, of different size, and upper ring, the red color ring is work as a rattle. It has some rattle tones as well. Bright colors, shiny textures, shiny reflections and swirling beads on the upper ring stimulate baby's senses and add to fun as well. That we introduced in Nandika's life in first block, again from the Fisher Price, is in this baby will love to put the blocks in the bucket one by one and then dumping in the bucket to see all the colorful blocks coming out and tumbling out, so over and over again. It usually helps in the hand and eye coordination. All these toys which I use nowadays, like in 6 to 12 months, I think all these toys are from the they are from the Fisher Price, but they are for the eye-hand coordination, the thinking part, also the fun as well. But to enhance the thinking part, to enhance the eye and hand coordination, and mainly the gross motor skills like jumping, sensory organs, and maintaining balancing, eye-hand coordination, and I use these kind of toys to enhance these skills in this age. So I think these toys, you can choose these kind of toys which helps to enhance these skills. Like, I am not experienced one, but from my experience in nowadays, I'm learning that these toys, these type of toys, I think these are the best for this kind of age. So use these toys which enhance these skills. So ultimately Nandika uses these toys nowadays, and she uses her 0 to 6 months toys as well, like cradle and swing, the infant rocker, the soft ball toys and all. She uses that one also, but these are the mainly toys which I introduce in after 6 months. So I think this is the best time to introduce these kind of toys in this age. So share your experience as well, which toys you mostly use in this age, and so that I also learn from your experience. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.